Let me ask you, are you tired of using the same old rusty kitchen gadgets that you've had since the dawn of time? Do you envy those fancy kitchen setups you see on Instagram and TikTok? You're in luck because today we're going to dive into some of the best kitchen gadgets that you might have wished to have. We've dug through the depths of Amazon and stalked the trending pages of TikTok to bring you the most innovative, game-changing, and downright ridiculous kitchen tools. From the latest sous vide machines to the most basic can openers, we've got it all covered. So shall we dive in? Number 10. Egg roll maker. I know what you're thinking. Do I really need another kitchen gadget? Trust me, this one is worth it. The egg roll machine takes all the hassle out of making egg rolls. No more struggling with the wrapper or worrying about the filling falling out. With this machine, you can make perfect egg rolls every time with minimal effort. Not only does it make the process easier, but it also saves time. No more spending hours in the kitchen trying to perfect your egg roll game. The egg roll machine allows you to make multiple egg rolls at once, which means you can feed your hungry guests in no time. Number 9. Banana filler. Are you guys frowning at the thought? What the heck is even a banana filler? The banana filler is basically a small device that you stick into the end of a banana, and it slices the fruit into perfectly even pieces with just one quick motion. No more struggling with a dull knife, but the best part? It's super easy to use and even easier to clean. Plus, it's small enough to store in a drawer or on a shelf without taking up too much space. You can even take it with you on the go for a healthy snack option. Number 8. Avocado Slicer. Let's talk about how easy it is to use. You simply cut the avocado in half, remove the pit, and use the slicer to effortlessly create uniform slices. No more struggling with a knife and trying to avoid cutting your fingers in the process. And the best part? You can do it all with one hand. Not only does the avocado slicer make your life easier, but it also saves you time. Think about how much time you spend trying to slice avocados for your guacamole or avocado toast. With the avocado slicer, you can slice and dice in no time and spend more time enjoying your delicious creations. And let's not forget about the cleanup. The avocado slicer is dishwasher safe, so no more scrubbing avocado bits off of your knives or cutting board. It's a win-win situation. Number 7. MultiSlicer. First of all, let me just say that this thing is an absolute beast. It can slice, dice, and julienne just about anything you can imagine, from potatoes and carrots to onions and peppers. And the best part? It does it all in record time. No more spending hours chopping vegetables by hand. With the MultiSlicer, you'll have everything prepped in minutes. Number 6. AntiSoggy Bowl. This is one kitchen gadget you're not going to want to miss out on. The AntiSoggy Bowl has a nifty little divider in the middle that keeps your milk or dressing separate from your cereal or salad until you're ready to eat. But wait, there's more. Not only does this bowl prevent your food from getting soggy, but it also comes in a variety of colors and designs to match any kitchen decor. Plus, it's made from durable. Number 5. Onion peeler. We all love onions in our dishes, but let's face it, peeling it can be a pain in the neck. It's like a never-ending battle between you and the onion, with tears streaming down your face and fingers smelling like onions for hours. But don't worry, because the onion peeler is here to save the day. This little gadget is so simple yet so effective. All you have to do is place the onion inside the peeler, give it a little twist, and voila! Your onion is perfectly peeled without any mess or fuss. No more crying, no more struggling, just perfect peeled onions every time. But wait, there's more. The onion peeler is not just for onions. You can use it for other fruits and veggies too, like garlic, ginger, potatoes, and more. It's a versatile tool that will make your life in the kitchen so much easier. Number 4. Oil dispenser. Now this gadget here saves you from a ton of mess. Gone are the days of oily bottles and containers dripping all over your counters and floors. The oil dispenser has a sleek and easy-to-use design that makes pouring oil a breeze without any spills or drips. And let's not forget about the accuracy it provides. Say goodbye to guessing how much oil you're using in a recipe. With the oil dispenser's clear measurement markings, you can easily and accurately measure the amount of oil you need for any dish. But that's not all. The oil dispenser also helps you stay healthy by controlling the amount of oil you use. You can easily limit the amount of oil you pour, making it a great addition to your diet and healthy lifestyle. Number 3. Portable dishwasher. Now I know what you might be thinking. Isn't a dishwasher supposed to be a big machine that only fits in a huge kitchen? Well, that's the old days. First of all, it's small and compact, which means it fits perfectly in any kitchen, no matter how small or crowded. It's super easy to install and use, and it doesn't require any extra plumbing or electrical work. Plus, it's way more affordable than a regular dishwasher, so you can save some extra cash for that dream kitchen renovation you've been wanting. Number 2, portable blender. First of all, let's talk about how this blender is truly portable. You can take it with you on the go, whether you're at the office, gym, or even on a camping trip. And let's be real, who wouldn't want to enjoy a delicious smoothie or protein shake while enjoying the great outdoors? But what really sets this blender apart is its power. With stainless steel blades and a powerful motor, this gadget can blend through any ingredient with ease. No more struggling with lumpy smoothies or chunky protein shakes, because this blender will make sure your drink is perfectly blended every time. And let's not forget about the convenience factor. This blender is super easy to clean, and you can easily detach the blade and wash it separately. Plus, the compact size of the blender means it won't take up too much counter space in your kitchen, which is perfect for those of us with limited counter space. But wait, there's more. This blender is not just limited to smoothies and protein shakes. You can also make delicious soups, sauces, and even baby food with it. It's truly a versatile gadget that can make your life so much easier in the kitchen. Finally, number 1, pasta maker. Are you tired of buying prepackaged pasta at the store only to find it's never quite as good as the real thing? Well, why don't you make your own pasta? Now I know what you're thinking, but isn't making your own pasta sounds like a hassle? Trust me, it won't be after getting to know this amazing gadget. Fresh pasta just hits differently, you know? It's like biting into a cloud of deliciousness. And with the pasta maker, you have complete control over the ingredients. No more wondering what preservatives or artificial flavors are hiding in your pasta. You can make it exactly how you want it. Making pasta from scratch can be a real workout. That's where the pasta maker comes in handy. With just a few cranks of the handle, you can roll out sheets of pasta with ease. The pasta maker comes with different attachments, so you can make all sorts of shapes and sizes of pasta, from spaghetti to fettuccine to lasagna sheets. And can we talk about how impressive it looks when you serve homemade pasta to your friends and family? You'll be the envy of all your foodie friends. Trust me, it's worth it for the bragging rights alone. Well, folks, there you have it. The ultimate showdown of some of the best kitchen gadgets on the internet. So after watching today's episode, did you find a new must-have tool from Amazon that you simply can't live without? Or maybe you're already planning on saving up for that trendy TikTok device. We hope you had as much fun as we did exploring the world of kitchen gadgets. Do drop your comments below. So, keep cooking, keep exploring, and most importantly, keep laughing. Thanks for joining along with us, and we'll see you next time.